Here's Isaac's remote control car he got for Christmas. This is his driving skills. Uh-oh. Just kind of drives like Daddy. Just bang into things until you can get out, right?
Yeah.
Here. I got him. Whoa. Okay. Let's take him in the living room. Come on. Oh, Isaac's stuck. Isaac's stuck. Can you get through? Go around, buddy. Go around. Go around. Go around the back. Hey. Don't drive when you can't see where he's going. Go that way. Go that way, buddy. That's the second or third time he's gotten stuck there. But got him out. I think last time I had to lift him up. Oh, well, that's why you shouldn't drive him unless you see where he is. There he is. There he is. Okay, let's show off your driving skills. That's what this whole video is for. Okay, well, sometimes it's best to just lift up your car and put your car where you want it. Driving is such a hassle. Good thing there's no traffic here, huh, Isaac? Can you do a circle? Probably not. You can make it go through the tunnel, right? Went through the Isaac tunnel. Okay. I think you can only do front and backwards. Going through the Isaac tunnel again. Whoa.
Daddy tunnel.
Oh, gonna do the Daddy tunnel. Here we go. Whoa. That was a beautiful tunnel, huh?
Train.
Yeah, you got. Oh, hey, Connor train.
Connor train.
Okay. Say goodbye. Say bye-bye to the camera, Isaac. Bye-bye. Okay, he might not say it, but he meant it.
Just do it.
Okay, yep. That's the best way to turn. Just pick up your car and turn it. Oh, it's gonna hit your train. Oh, reverse. He's backed himself into a corner. Whoa! Can Daddy drive? That's the usual response. And if you take it away, from him, maybe he gets upset. I think he has better sleep now. Maybe he won't get upset now because he had a good night's sleep. Oh! Forward or reverse, doesn't matter to him. Okay, signing off.